Okay, so I just got the machine put back together, minus the fence, and cut a little bit of wood with it, barely any. Left it exactly as is, tightened up the guides a little bit, top and bottom. That's it, everything's level. I mean, the whole machine is level, everything's level. So, it is what it is. So it is smoother. There is less vibration. I don't want to say that the vibration's gone. You know, it's certainly not vibration free. I mean, yeah, you can kind of stand and, well, you can kind of stand a nickel up on it. But the thing I'm interested about is when you shut it off, and it's winding down, it goes through these like series of just tremors. I mean, it shakes quite a bit. So, yeah, as far as I know, everything's level, everything's lined up. I didn't mess with it one bit, so I mean, it's sturdy when you shake it. I mean, there's no movement, so. Let me know if you have any ideas, or maybe it's just supposed to shake when you shut it off.